Hi, my name is Dennis. Welcome to Cursor 2.0. In this course, we will learn how to properly use Cursor IDE and specifically their agent to write good, high quality, reliable code. We will learn three modes available in the agent: ask mode, plan mode, and agent mode. We will see how we can properly manage context, how we can add files, folders, documentation, or even custom documentation to the context of the agent to improve the results. We will also learn how to select model for your agent in Cursor, what are the best models, and how to run agent with multiple models. So at the end, you can select the best one. In our course, we'll also learn to use browser, which is embedded into Cursor. And also we'll show you how to use browser for testing so that agent can test the app it is developing itself, filling the forms, clicking the buttons, making screenshots, and analyzing the results. Finally, we'll also see how we can provide good guidelines for our models in the form of cursor rules or some other formats. We will be doing this by developing practical project called Interview Prep. It is a web app where a user can enter job description from the job they want to apply to, and then AI creates interview question, and a user can do kind of a mock interview in this service. And let's start our course.